Well, I can't stay up here forever. The snow is cold. I can't wait to get into my nice warm casa and curl up by the cozy fire and... I'm in the battle zone. Oh, it's getting so a cat can't even cross her own yard.
Sorry, Troubles. I meant to get Mei Lin.
Oh, yeah? Well, take this.
Ha! You missed me.
Whoa! Hey, everybody, look! Hey!
Gotcha!
Stop, wait, come on. I just got a new sled.
Wow, a new sled? Cool.
Say, that is a cool sled.
Come on, I'm gonna go see how it works.
Great! I gotta see this.
Ooh, that snow is cold.
Okay, Marina, give me a big push.
Okay, get ready, go!
Woohoo, yeah! Whee! Woohoo, yeah!
I want to go next.
Then me. I don't think so, guys.
What do you mean?
Well, it's brand new. I haven't broken it in yet. Give me another push, will ya?
Okay, I'll push you.
All right! Whee!
Is Roberto really not going to share his sled with us? I guess not.
I'm sure he will. Someday.
What's up with Roberto? Usually he's very fair with his friends. Well, I guess he's feeling a little selfish today.
Who wants to push me this time?
I'll push you this time if you'll push me next time.
Okay, go get your sled.
I meant you can push me on your sled.
It's my sled. I don't want anyone else to use it.
I know. I'll go get my new snow saucer, and we can all go down together. 2 on the sled, 2 on the saucer.
No way. We'll be real careful, Roberto. We won't hurt your sled or anything. No, this sled is mine.
Ay, what's wrong with Roberto today? Come on, kids. Take out your troublescope and look through. Let's see what Roberto is feeling.
The sled is mine. Mine, mine, mine. I don't want to share. I don't have to share. It's mine.
He's right. He doesn't have to share. But it would sure be nice if he did, wouldn't it?
Who's going to push me?
Not me.
Me neither.
See you later, Roberto.
Come on, Daniel. Give me a push.
Okay. Then will you let me try it? Woo!
No way! Wow, that was cool. Hey, where'd Daniel go? I need him to give me a push. Huh?
All right. Cool. Go, Daniel, go.
They sure look like they're having fun together.
Mira, Roberto looks like he's thinking things over. Let's look through the troublescope again and see what he's thinking.
I just don't feel like sharing today. The sled is mine. But I know my friends wouldn't hurt my sled or anything. I'm gonna go apologize and share my sled with everyone.
Good for Roberto. Sometimes it's hard to share, especially something that's new. But Roberto will have more fun sharing his new sled than he could ever have playing alone. Oh, I just don't know why anyone would want to play with this thing in the first place. I mean, what's the big deal? Huh?
A perfect 10.
Great job, Troubles.
That's my cat.
Now, does anyone else want to try my new sled?
I do. Can I go first?
I'll go second.
Me third. What are we waiting for? Let's go. Bombs away!
Yahoo!
I wonder how Roberto's feeling now. Look through your troublescope and let's check it out. Oh, it looks like Roberto's feeling terrific. Uh-oh. Here they come.
Trouble, look out! Whoa! We can't stop!
Oof, that was close. You know, I think I even like snowball fights better than that sled thing.